Hello friends, welcome back to my tiny kitchen. I am Quintana. This week I have a fun recipe to share with you. It's delicious, it's simple, it's easy, it's Asian style dumplings. So let's get started. So now comes our parade of ingredients that we will need for our delicious Asian style dumplings. First we have ground pork, yummy organic ground pork. Then you're going to use 1 cup of shredded cabbage. You can shred it yourself, you can buy it pre-shredded, no wrong answers here. Then you're going to take 1 carrot and peel the outside of it and then just shred that. Then you know how much I love garlic, you're going to have 3 or as much or as little as you like cloves of garlic. I pressed my garlic in a garlic press, you can also mince it. Then we have 1 green onion or scallion, thinly sliced, and 2 tablespoons of delicious fresh ginger. And did you know you do not have to peel your ginger because the skin is so thin, it basically disintegrates when you cook. So don't worry about that. Then we're going to use 2 tablespoons of, I use liquid aminos. You can use soy sauce, you can use tamari, whatever soy substitute you'd like. 2 tablespoons of that. 2 teaspoons of sesame oil and 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. And then finally, we're going to use 1 little baby quarter teaspoon of white pepper. And I'll show you that when I put it in the mixture. So let's get to mixing, shall we? So add our shredded cabbage, shredded carrot, minced pressed garlic, however you created it, green onion, scallion, yummy delicious ginger. Whew, smells so good already. Our liquids. And finally, I promised I'd show you, look at this tiny little quarter teaspoon of white pepper. And now we're just going to combine it all together and enjoy. Now comes the fun part. I realized I forgot to mention that you will also need wonton wrappers, which, look like this. You can find them in your grocery store. So I have my little work surface, which my niece made this for me in Christmas of 2016. Isn't it adorable? I love it. You're going to want like a little container of water because you were going to use that to help wrap the wonton. So you have your wonton. You're going to get, I use just like a regular, like a little spoon. Spoon in the center, a little bit of the filling. And then you're going to wet the edges of your wrapper, like so. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's all going to taste delicious, I promise. And then we're going to crimp the edges. Now, remember, I am a home chef, so you just do your best. You just kind of fold it over, and keep doing this all around the edges. And then I also have a sheet pan set aside so I can put the dumplings that are ready to be, the finished dumplings that are ready to be cooked onto that. And then we're just going to continue this for the rest of our mixture. Now it's time to cook them. So I have my vegetable oil. I use grapeseed oil in the skillet. It's more of a neutral oil because your flavors are going to come from your dipping sauce and your delicious dumplings. So I have the oil heating in the skillet, and then we're going to just put them in the skillet and cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. And they're done. Just look at these beautiful dumplings. Now, I know some of them got a little more browned than the others, but that's okay because I'm sure they'll still taste delicious. And how are we gonna know? From the taste test. I have my delicious dipping sauce that I made. If you'd like to know the ingredients and how to make this dipping sauce, please comment below and I will send you a message and let you know how to do that. But now, let's tasty taste, shall we? Do a little dip. And then take a bite. Holy cow. Super flavorful. You can taste the ginger, you can taste the soy, you can taste everything. They're really, really yummy. I hope you guys make these. And that's it. Another simple, fun, delicious recipe in the books from my tiny kitchen to you. I hope you continue to try and make these recipes and send me the pictures. I love it so much. Thank you for coming back to my tiny kitchen. I hope you're telling your friends, you're liking, you're subscribing. Comment below. Let me know what else you'd like to see me make because I'd love to try it. I'll see you again next week. Thanks for stopping by.